welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele and thank you so much for coming back to watch. And before we start, I just want to say a great, prosperous 2021 to all of you that are watching. Now that that's out of the way, I'm back to talking about my favorite topic and here to answer some questions. I would like to talk about the concept of long-term insurance and short-term insurance. Now, I'm sure you've heard people talk about and wonder, like, what is long-term? What is short-term? So I wanted to just break it down briefly and simply for you so you can understand the basics of it. Long-term insurance is basically something that is for the long haul, whereas short-term insurance is for the short period. What does that really mean? Is long-term insurance is items that are genuinely, it's not tomorrow, not next week, but it's a forever thing. So when you look at your life insurance policy, when you look at your funeral plan, when you look at things like your endowment policy, I'm sure you get the gist of it. It's things that we can't say they're definitely going to happen tomorrow. Some of them will definitely happen, like life, you will definitely die. Some things like disability, not everybody will get disabled, but the potential is there and you may need then to get your, income for the duration that you are disabled and can't perform your duties, etc. So basically life insurance is just about those things that are for the long haul. And also with life insurance, we cannot really put you in the same financial position that you were in prior to the loss. The best an insurer can do is to compensate you. That is another key difference, compensation. So when we look at short-term insurance is for things that are right now, today, tomorrow, Most of the risk in short-term insurance are generally unknown. It might not happen. I could have a short-term insurance policy for my car the whole time and never have an accident until I, God forbid, die. So that is a short-term insurance policy. Basically looks at your things that are your contents, your buildings, your car, your cell phone, looking at commercial insurance as well. There's certain aspects of it where the whole notion of short-term insurance is to indemnify you, which is to put you back in the same financial position that you were in prior to the loss. So now that we start looking at these key differences, we start seeing, okay, short-term, basic, small things, or things we can quantify. Long-term insurance, it's about life and disability and so forth. Long-term insurance, some of them have got that element of it definitely will happen. So you're insuring from something that's definitely going to happen. Retirement is definitely going to happen. Death will happen. And then there are some instances where it could or could not happen. Whereas short-term insurance, it's stuff that is not guaranteed to happen, but it may. So you still need it. So you can see both these long and short-term insurance. Basically, you need to cover yourself on both sides so that for the short term and for the long term, you and your finances are well looked after and taken care of. So that is basically the long and short of short-term and long-term insurance. If you have any further questions, clarity, confusions, and if you want to comment as well, please do so and drop the comment down below. Also click like, subscribe, tell your friends, your cousins, your puppies, your dogs to watch these videos and to also subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time.